Are you tired of constantly thinking about that special someone, but never feeling like they're thinking about you in the same way? Have you tried everything you can think of to capture their attention, only to feel like you're coming up short? Well, I've got some good news for you. In this video, I'm going to teach you a tried and true method for making that special someone think about you nonstop. But here's the thing. This isn't going to be some quick fix that works for a few days and then fades away. No, this is a long-term solution that will keep your special someone thinking about you for weeks, months, and even years to come. And the best part is, it's not some manipulative trick or magic potion. It's a genuine approach that's rooted in science and psychology, and it's been proven to work time and time again. So if you're ready to take your love life to the next level and make that special someone think about you nonstop, then you won't want to miss this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of the amazing content we have in store for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. Number 1, don't be predictable. One of the best ways to keep your romantic interest on their toes is to avoid being predictable. Being too predictable can make someone feel like they have you all figured out and can lead to boredom and disinterest. To keep things interesting, try to shake up your routine a bit. Don't always text her at the same time of day or in the same way. If you're used to texting her good morning or good night every day, try skipping a few days or switching to a different message. When she texts you, don't always respond right away. Let her wait and wonder when you'll get back to her. This will not only keep her on her toes, but it will also show her that you have your own life and aren't just sitting around waiting for her to contact you. You can also try mixing up your plans together. Don't always do the same things or go to the same places. Surprise her with a fun activity or take her somewhere new and exciting. By keeping things unpredictable and exciting, you'll keep her interested and invested in the relationship. Just remember to strike a balance between being unpredictable and being reliable, so she can trust and depend on you when it matters most. Number 2, you have to become mysterious. It's important to keep some level of mystery and intrigue around you when you're trying to attract a woman. You want her to be curious about you and intrigued by the things you say and do. This can be done by not revealing everything about yourself right away. Instead, hold back some information and let her ask questions. Don't be too forthcoming about your interests, hobbies, and passions. Instead, give her small glimpses and let her be curious about what else you have going on in your life. Another way to build mystery is by being unpredictable. Don't follow the same routine or pattern all the time. Mix things up and keep her guessing. This will make her wonder what you'll do next and keep her interested in what's to come. It's important to note that while building mystery is crucial in the early stages of attraction, it's also important to let her get to know you as you progress in the relationship. If you keep too much mystery for too long, it can become frustrating and make her feel like she doesn't know you at all. Find the right balance between keeping some mystery and letting her get to know the real you. Number 3, make lasting memories by introducing risk. Creating lasting memories is essential in building a strong and lasting relationship. And one of the best ways to create those memories is by introducing an element of risk or discomfort. Think about all the memories you have that stick out in your mind, the ones that you remember every detail of. Chances are they involved some level of risk, whether it was emotional or physical. Taking risks can be uncomfortable, but it can also be exhilarating and rewarding. Going outside of your comfort zone and trying new things with your partner can create a strong bond and a sense of shared experience. Whether it's trying a new extreme sport or going on a hike with a beautiful view, these experiences are more likely to be memorable and stay on your partner's mind longer. Of course, it's important to ensure that both you and your partner are comfortable with the level of risk involved in any activity. But by introducing an element of risk into your shared experiences, you can create lasting memories that will help to strengthen your relationship. Number 4, make plans after being busy. To clarify, you want to maintain some distance and not be too attentive during a 3 or 4 day period. This means not replying to her messages too often and occasionally blowing her off because you're busy. After this period, you should focus your conversations on what she's been up to and not just talk about yourself. Don't give away too much information about yourself, as this will make her more curious and build mystery around you. Once you've done this, it's time to make plans with her again, but don't do it right away. Let some time pass and then suggest a specific time and place to meet up. For example, say something like, "Hey, I've been really busy the past few days, but I have some time on Friday night. Would you like to grab a drink around 7? It's important to not always be available for her, as this will make you seem less interesting. Keep your text messages short, to the point, closed-ended most of the time. By not always being available, she will start to miss you and want to see you more, which is how you become memorable and stand out in her. Having trouble getting a woman to reciprocate your efforts during the attraction phase, it may be a sign that she's not interested. Don't get too hung up on one woman. There are plenty of fish in the sea. If you're feeling stuck and don't know how to make progress with the woman you're interested in, there are resources available to help you. One such resource is a video that can teach you how to make any woman chase after you. With the right strategies and techniques, you can attract the woman of your dreams and enjoy a fulfilling relationship. So don't give up. Keep learning, and keep trying new things until you find what works for you. And that's it for today's video. By following these 4 rules, you'll be able to make any woman think about you nonstop. Remember, building an emotional connection is the key to creating a lasting attraction. And that doesn't happen overnight. Take your time, be patient, and most importantly, be yourself. Before you go, I want to remind you that the rules I've shared should only be used with good intentions. Don't manipulate or harm anyone just to make them think about you. That's not cool, and it's not what this channel is about. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated on my latest videos. I'll be sharing more dating tips, relationship advice, and other useful information that will help you navigate the complex world of love and relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.